Hi, now that you know everything about Sense1, we need something to utilize all those features. In comes the BeAvair app. You can get this app on Play Store or App Store. All you have to do is search for BeAvair and download the app. That's how you do it on App Store, but you can do the same thing on Play Store as well. You can go on to Play Store and search for BeAvair and download the app. Once you have downloaded the app is going to open up and ask for permissions like sending notifications or location. So please make sure that you have given all those permissions. Let's move forward and click on Next. Here is where you sign up or log in. If you're a new customer, you of course have to register, but if you're a returning customer, you can use your email address and password to log in into the app. For now, I'm a new customer, so I'm going to click on sign up and enter all the details that it asks for. Once you have entered all the details, you can click on next. And then it's going to send you a registered OTP or basically a confirmation code on your registered email address. You can enter the confirmation code. Once you click on verify, it's going to verify your OTP, which basically means verifying your identity, and it's going to bring you to the home screen. For more videos, follow the playlist.